garlic, beetroot, potato, yogurt casserole, or garlic, beetroot, potato, yogurt bowl, or Lasoon, Chukandar, Aloo Raita. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the potato recipes and one of the most unique of the garlic recipes and one of the most different of the beetroot recipes and one of the most unique of the vegetable casserole recipes and one of the most different of the casserole recipes and one of the most delicious of the vegetable casseroles and one of the most unique of the yogurt casserole. Today we're going to make garlic, beetroot, potato, yogurt casserole. We've taken 100 grams of 100 to 150 grams of potato peeled and cut into small pieces. 100 to 150 grams of beetroot cut into pieces. And the beetroot pieces into the grinder. Close and grind well. Heat the pan and put in 15 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Let it melt. Put in the onion pieces. Salt. Marinate. You can saute. Garlic saute mix. Put in the garlic piece. Salt the garlic piece. Now put in the ginger. Put in salt taste. Salt. Salt thoroughly. Keep on salting. Thoroughly salt and mix. Put in some mustard seeds and let it get heated and wait for it to split and pop. Potato pieces. Thoroughly. Put in salt to taste. Salt and mix. Thoroughly salt and mix. Put in spoon of chili powder. Salt. Salt and mix thoroughly. put in the ground beetroot. Thoroughly mix. Thoroughly salt and mix. Pour in 150 ml water. Mix and let the mixture boil. Close and cook well. Now put it in low heat. Put in some curry leaves. Mix. Pour in 100 ml of yogurt. Mix thoroughly. Let this mixture cook for a minute. Garlic, beetroot, potato, yogurt bowl is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. Final garlic, beetroot, potato, yogurt casserole or garlic, beetroot, potato, yogurt bowl. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the beetroot recipes and one of the most unique of the potato recipes and one of the most delicious of the garlic recipes and one of the most different of the yogurt casserole recipes and one of the most unique of the casserole recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.